A level monthly contribution of X is required to purchase annual perpetuity of 5,000 that commences 5 years from today. Contributions are made at the end of each month for 60 months. Last contribution is made at the same time as the first payment from the perpetuity. So the perpetuity commences 5 years from today, and 5 years means 60 months. And the last contribution is made exactly at the time of the first payment from the perpetuity. Now, the last contribution is made at time 60 because these contributions are being made at the end of each month for 60 months. And therefore, the last one will be made at time 60 months. And that is when the first payment from the perpetuity happens. So if we use the perpetuity due formula that and treat it as a perpetuity, treat this perpetuity as perpetuity due, then the formula will give its value at time 60 because that's when the first payment is happening. So therefore, if we treat the annuity as annuity due, then the accumulated value sits at exactly the same time as the perpetuity due value given by the perpetuity due formula. So the perpetuity is annual, but the contributions are monthly. So therefore, for the contributions, we will need the monthly effective rate J, which is I-12 by 12. And I-12, the nominal rate is given to be 12%, so 0.12 by 12 is 0.01. And therefore, the accumulated value of the contributions at time 60 will be X times 1 plus the interest rate power 60 minus 1 over 0.01, so that's 81.67x. And the present value of the perpetuity will be found after we first find the annual effective rate, since the perpetuity pays annually. So 1 plus I equals 1 plus I 12 by 12 power 12. So that gives the annual effective rate to be 0.1268. And so if we use the perpetuity due formula, it is the payment times 1 plus interest rate over interest rate. That gives the present value sitting at the time of the first payment, which is happening at time 60. So payment for the perpetuity is 5,000, and we get 44423. And we already discussed that the accumulated value of the contributions is also sitting at time 60. So 81.67x should equal 44423. This gives x as 544. That is choice D.